Hey, what's up YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel. And today we're going to be going over my Knipex pliers. Now, if you don't know, or if maybe you've watched some of my older videos, I'm kind of reviving some of my videos because my audio quality, video quality, when I first started just wasn't there. So now that I've kind of stepped it up a little bit, I want to redo, give some better information, stuff like that. I'll also give you prices on all of the Knipex pliers I have, as well as some others, and I really hope you guys enjoy. I'll try and show you the quality and everything. They are made in Germany. Great pliers. I rank Knipex way up there at the top. I mean, Snap-on sells them, Mac, I mean, everybody sells them. Sears has some. I'll give you the price of individual pliers. I'll also let you know that majority of the time it's cheaper to get them in packs of 2 or 3. You know, they'll come as sets and stuff like that, so keep your eye out for those. I will link them down in the description, a couple sets for you guys, but other than that, I'll just quickly show you the quality. I really enjoy them. I use them here at home because my work supplies all my tools for me, so now they're just home tools, but they're great and they'll hold up to everyday use. I'm sure a lot of people can vouch as well that Knipex is a great brand of pliers. I also have some others. You know, I got Snap-on, I got Southwire made in USA tools, I got Tecton, I got DeWalt. I mean, I got a whole bunch of different brands, but today I'm going to focus on Knipex. Also, if you guys follow me, I work for the Napa Funny Car team. We didn't do so well in Brainerd, had a little hiccup, but we're racing Indy this next coming weekend, and we're hoping for the best. But in Brainerd, I did get to meet Mike Finnegan and David Freiberger, which was awesome. Got to talk to them for a little while. If you don't know who they are, and you watch a lot of YouTube, you need to check out Roadkill. It's pretty awesome. So let's get into this, and I really hope you guys enjoy. So these are my Knipex pliers, all 7 of them. Now I'm gonna just kind of go through each one individually, give you some prices and a close-up look. So first off, I got these 3 in a set for around $100, I believe. It'll be linked down in the description. But first off, I want to start off with the Knipex diagonal side cutters, or dikes. Here's the part number 7421200. Like I said, made in Germany. Nice little engraving here, and then it also says made in Germany here as well, if you can see that. There's the engraving. Nice handles, very comfortable. Now these, you can also get Knipex in comfort grip handles, which are going to be a little bit bigger, and then you can also get them insulated as well if you do a lot of electrical work and stuff like that. Now for the diagonal side cutters by themselves are going to run around $28. I got my pricing off of Amazon. If you can find them cheaper somewhere else, sometimes you can find great deals at Sears and stuff like that, so check that out as well. But these are $28, and these diagonal side cutters, I've used them quite a bit here at home, and now it's still, I'm smart about using these because I also have the Knipex mini bolt cutters, which are great and will save the life of these for anything a little bit bigger. So one second. Okay, so like I said, $28 for the single pair. Now if you want to see videos in the future, just let me know, drop a comment down below. I can also do a comparison of these Southwire diagonal side cutters. Also, these are made in the USA, so that would make a really good comparison video. You can see the similarities, but obviously we'll wait for that. And then moving on, I also have the gear wrench with the comfort grip diagonal side cutters. They're a little bit shorter style. So if you want to see a comparison between the 3, please just let me know, and any of my pliers that I'm about to show you. So next up is the long nose pliers from Knipex. This is going to be part number 2611200. Just kind of a close look up, and I can do a comparison with some gear wrench if you would like. Now you can kind of see that there's a different style here with the features that it involves in the head of the pliers. One thing I must say about Knipex, not only are they made of great quality, but they operate very smoothly. There's no breaking them in, you know, like they're stiff or anything, at least not the ones I bought. They've all been super smooth, no friction. Like if it wasn't cut right or anything like that, they all work great. Now these needle nose do have, or long nose, whatever you want to call them, they do have teeth. They're not the flat style. So the long nose pliers are going to run around $25 by themselves. Next up is probably one of the more popular ones that a lot of people get, is the Cobra pliers. These are the 10-inch ones. You can find these all over the place. Packs of 2, 3, different sizes, all of that. Part number 8701250. And I absolutely love these. I love that when you use them, they're made to where the handle doesn't fall out of your reach. It's always there close to you. It's got the push button and a lot of teeth up in here. So you have a lot of different positions for different size fasteners and stuff. And the teeth on all these Knipex pliers are super durable. They haven't worn out. And like I said, professionals that use these things every single day, day in, day out, can attest to it, that these things last a long time. So here's just kind of a quick look up at the Cobras. The 10-inch Cobras are going to run around $30 by themselves. Like I said, bigger packages, you get better deals. And then these I bought individually. The mini bolt cutters are going to run around $40 to $45. And these are absolutely great. Obviously, you're not going to be cutting big chains or padlocks with these, but these are great for smaller links and bigger cables. They also have shears. I don't have these shears from Knipex, but the cable shears are going to run around $47, just in case you're interested. But part number on this is 7101200. Just kind of a close-up look. And these things, I've used them a lot, and they hold up very well. So now moving on to, these don't get used all that often, but they are fantastic when you need to reach something, and that is the long needle nose pliers from Knipex. And they're extra long needle nose. And I bought this as a pair for $82. I'm not sure, they're probably around $45, $50 a piece if you get it that way, but you can find really good deals of them together. So obviously you get the straight and you get the 45-degree angle. And the thing I love about these is the other two pair I have is the Gear Wrench XX, which are stiff, and I've tried breaking them in, lubing them, and they're a little stiff. Just binding in all the joints and stuff. Not that they're bad pliers, they're just a little stiff. Like I said, the Knipex straight out the box are just as smooth operating as you can ask for. And then I have the Pittsburgh ones as well, which obviously aren't going to be as good of quality, but they're extremely cheap and they'll get the job done around the house. Even some people use them in the professional field. But if you want to see a comparison video, I can do that for you. But here's kind of a closer up look. As you can tell, the Knipex have features in the head that most other pliers do not. And this is great for grabbing small fasteners and cables and stuff and needing to grip those. As you can tell, there's a lot of different sizes here. Then you got the teeth here at the bottom as well. Each one of these are a smooth portion of the jaws, and then you got some fine teeth up here as well. Maybe you can see that. But the part number on this straight extra long needle nose is going to be 2871280. And then for the 45-degree, it's going to be 2881280. Just kind of a close-up look. And I gotta say, these features are actually really handy, because most of the time I don't need all of this jaw, because when I'm using extra long, I'm usually trying to grab something. So with it still having plenty of teeth up here, I'm still able to reach down in tight spots and get those. And even though these are fairly small diameter here, they're actually really strong. And as you can tell, sorry, I'm kind of jumping all over the place in this video, but all of their pliers are going to have rust resistant coating. Like here, all of the black is going to be a rust resistant coating to protect them. All the handles have it, as you can tell. I don't really use the cutters, but you can still see it on the teeth. then same thing with the mini bolt cutters. But if you would like, I have a lot of different pliers other than just these. Maybe you want to see, now I know there's a lot of different styles that look a lot like Cobras, and these aren't the closest style to it, but these are the ones I have. So if you want to see a comparison, just let me know. But I also have a lot of other pliers as well. I got the band pliers, I got Tecton pliers, I got Easy Red, I got Snap-on, I got Gear Wrench, Southwire, Harbor Freight, Gear Wrench, Bostich, Milwaukee. I mean, I got a lot of different brands in here. So if you want to see just a video on any of these alone, let me know. If you want to see any comparisons, just let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. Also, before I go, just want to mention they have alligator pliers, which are going to run around $24 for the 10-inch set. The Pliers wrench, which is a really popular version of Knipex pliers that a lot of people like, are going to run around $55. And like I said earlier, the shears are going to be $47. So those are a couple of the pliers that I don't have from Knipex, but I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, any information that you want on these pliers, just let me know. Thanks guys, and I'll see you guys next time.